What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, I think it's about time that I finally tried out this little guy, the Be Perfect Stacey Marie XL Carnival palette. I've had this for a little while, but there's been so many new launches. Like, I swear there's been so many palettes coming out. I'm not mad about it. But there's been so many new palettes coming out that I'm like, I can't keep up. Like, I only have 2 eyeballs. I cannot keep up. But in today's video, I thought it was about time that I tried out this bad boy. If you guys are new here, you might not know, but I freaking love the original Stacey Marie palette. It's like, it's such a freaking good palette. So I do have very, very high hopes for this. Like, if you guys haven't seen it, look at the freaking colors on the back. Like, look at this column here. Have you ever seen a more Steph column? I don't think so. But yeah, today I'm gonna be shoving this guy on my face, letting you guys know my thoughts. You all know the drill by now. So let's just get straight into the video. Hi, everybody. All right, lads, so I just went ahead and just did my brows and also did 1 eyeball. So first of all, let's open this bad boy up. So this costs, it was just over 40 quids. I'll put it on screen now. Can't remember off the top of my head. It was quite a while ago that I picked this up. I haven't even opened this yet. It's just been sitting on my desk. Oh my God. Look at all those colors. Oh my God, look at Ecstasy. Look at that freaking color. So like the colors that are sticking out to me right now is Ecstasy, Showboat, Why Though? I need to like choose some colors that aren't blues. Ooh, Funky's nice, and Backchat and Persuasion and Orchids. I really like that it's kind of like a rainbow palette, but it's not like your typical rainbow palette. There's like loads of different tones. Obviously you've got like all of your neutrals down here, which I love. I obviously love the fact that you can just use it as like a neutrals palette as well. And then you've got like loads of different red tones, loads of different blue tones, loads of pinks, loads of purples. It's a nice little selection. Let's swatch these highlighters. So we have Fair Play, Gold Luxe, and Over It. Obviously you can use these as eyeshadows as well. That middle one, Gold Luxe, looks like a little bit of me. So let's try these out. Oh yeah, look at Gold Luxe. Look at that. Look at it. By the way, I don't think I mentioned, but I did put down the P. Louise base, the Rumor 2, on my eyelid. Haven't set it down or anything. I know you guys love my blue and green eye looks, and I can't promise I'm not going to use at least some blue and greens today, but I feel like I need to mix things up a little bit. So I'm going to try and do something. I'm going to at least like try and like dabble in some of these colors up here. Realistically, I'll just end up going back to like a blue smoky eye, but I'm going to try. So I've got a whole new set of brushes. Shout out to Sigma for hooking me up. So I have some clean brushes that I can use. Thank you. Oh man, I don't even know where to start, to be honest. There are just too many colors. Let's do a couple of swatches. I'm gonna swatch some colors that I don't think I will use today, just so we can kind of see them. Let's try a little bit of Keen, because I'm always curious about yellows. Looks very good. Oh, let's do Backchat. Oh my God, that looks sick. I might actually use that. I might end up using that. We'll try a bit of Orchids. These are looking good. And then we'll also do Inferno, which is this red down here. They look great. Like really great. That's nice. That's pigmented as shit. That is really freaking nice. These swatches are really bad. And then this red's sold. Oh God, massive mirror. Oh my God, is that actually what I look like? All right, so first of all, I think I'm gonna go in with Reckless, like this really like deep purple. I'm gonna tap that using a Firm Blender Sigma brush. This little piece of hair is just like constantly reminding me that Steph, the short hair is still there. It's still there. Tap that in my crease. Whoa, that actually looks a little bit more like purple than I thought it would. I thought it was going to be a little bit more burgundy, but I actually kind of prefer that. So I'm just etching that in to begin with. I want to do something a bit nuts today. I really want to bring it out. I don't know how far yet, but I just know I want to bring it out. And I'm just kind of like working that into my crease, almost kind of like making it a bit of a cream. I don't tend to like fully tapping it. I find that with a P. Louise base, you don't get the full color payoff if you tap it. I like to like tap it and then just kind of like swirl it in. And now, I know I said I wasn't really gonna use it, that's why I swatched the color, but I actually do wanna go in with Inferno. This like red here. I'm going to kind of just a little bit blend that just over the top there. Oh, thank God that worked. I was like, is this gonna work or is this gonna look stupid? But that actually blends out really, really nicely. I feel like I actually kind of want that purple shade to be a bit darker almost. So I might actually even add some black. Yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to take some of that black. This one here, it's called Lights Out. And I'm going to deepen up that crease. Still want it to be purple, but yeah, I just want a bit more summon. Okay, I'm actually gonna put that big palette mirror down for a minute. I'm just gonna take this one because I feel like that one's just like getting in the way of everything that I'm doing. So I'm just gonna use this. Hope you don't mind. I'm now gonna take something a little bit more fluffy. This is the Detail Blending Brush, again from Sigma. And I think I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Lit, that orange shade just down there. Oh, that looks good. And then I'm gonna blend that in with that red. Oh, that makes the red pop even more over the top of that. Oh, I love that. Whatever's like going on here, I'm really, really obsessed with. These shadows are working like an absolute dream. So I'm just gonna blend in a little bit more red right up to my brow bone and take literally the teensiest amount of black again just to deepen that outer corner again. So I'm basically just like flitting between those two brushes. So a little bit of red, a little bit of that blacky purple color. Yes, I like it. I'm definitely not a makeup artist, but I feel like that's not that bad. So now I think I'm actually gonna take some more of Lit, which is like that orange. And I really wanna kind of like make it a little bit warmer right on the inner corner. So I'm just gonna tap some of that in there and then just like lightly feather that. And then I'm gonna take a touch of Reckless again and just bring that a little bit more into the inner corner. I'm actually gonna take a smaller brush for that. So this is the E42 Precision Firm Blender. So yeah, I'm going in with a little bit of Reckless. I know this isn't like a review on these brushes, but it's the first time using this brush in particular. And it's like perfect for getting right in there. Yeah, that's what we want. That's what we want. Just gonna bring that black down a little bit more into the inner corner just so I can cut the crease in a second. Oh yeah, we're going all out, lads. We're cutting the crease and everything. I'm now gonna do a full cut crease using my P. Louise base. I'm just taking that on a Kiko 01 brush. And yeah, I'm gonna bring it like all the way around. Do a little looky. Yes, here goes Michael, screaming again. What do you want now, Michael? How can I help? No, that door's shut. You can't go in there, mate. That's a shut door. You know what they do? They stay shut. I just remembered I've got freaking Reese's Pieces in the bloody cupboard. I always struggle with doing cut creases, not because I necessarily find cut creases that hard anymore, but because I'm so used to like lifting my brow when I'm doing eye makeup looks. So when I lift my brow, it ends up being like not the shape I want it to be. But if I relax my brow, then because I've got a little tiny, not like a hood as such, but like let's say a hood, like a slight little hood to my eyes, I need to lift it to get in there, but the shape I want is like that. Anyone else have that? Then I'm just gonna take a little sponge just to, the sponge has an eyelash on it, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna blot down the edges there just so I can blend it a bit easier in a bit. Okay, right, I'm gonna go feed this cat. Be right back before he like eats my foot. So now I think I'm actually gonna go in with the Hype, which is like, not the neon green, but the one next to it. This is why I'm not on QVC, for many reasons. What's happening to my chin here? Okay, anyway, I'm going in with the Hype, this green. So I'm taking that on a E55 shading brush, and I'm gonna smack that right on the inner corner. I'm actually gonna take this little angle brush here. Bit odd, but I wanna get like right in the lines. Yes, bitch. Oh, the way that's popping is making me so happy. Now I'm going to dust off that eyeshadow brush and I'm going to go in with Showboat. This one, this shade here, actually looks a lot more vibrant in person than it does on camera. This is like pretty much like my favorite kind of color, this blue here. And I'm going to place that and kind of like overlap it onto the green. Like these colors are what get me really excited. I know it's so boring. I know all I ever do is like blue eye looks. Can't appreciate like the warmth here. This is just like, this is what I like to see. I'm now gonna take Make Waves, this shade up here. So I'm just gonna take the P. Louise Acid Rain like liner brush first, just because I wanna line my cut crease with that. And then slap that over the top again. Yeah, I mean, I know it's early days, but this palette is great. It's freaking great, to be honest. I'm not even surprised because the last one was so good. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the darkest blue, which is Mood. It's kind of like a navy shade. Well, it's not kind of like a navy shade, it is a navy shade. And I think what I wanna do is basically like blend this into black and then it will go like warm toned out here, if that makes sense. So I kind of want it to go like cool toned, black, warm toned. That's my kind of goal. Whether or not it'll work, who knows? Whoa, that is nice. I never use navies. If I do find that I'm ever struggling to blend anything together, I basically just go in with the colour that I used before. So like whatever I used before the navy, I just like tend to pat that over the top and then just kind of work backwards. Oh my God, that is so nice. I'm now going to take that brush that I was using around about the start with the dark purple. So I'm going to go in with a bit more of that black. And I'm just going to really dot that in to my outer corner there. Like literally right where the edge of my eyeball is. Like you can literally like see my eyeball moving. I'm just wiggling it around there. And then I'll just kind of correct whatever I did a second ago when I like threw the P. Louise base all over my face. Oh my God, I really like this. Go back in with my teeny tiny blending brush, taking a touch of Inferno. So then to blend that black into that blue, I'm just taking a little bit more of that navy again. I like this so much. I think that's kind of it for a minute. I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye. I might do a little Instagram tutorial for it, maybe, because I am kind of obsessed with this eye look. And then I will like do my base and everything off camera, and then we'll do the lower lash line. Hey, I'm back. Looking a little bit more like kind of put together. Put a little bit of mascara on, did obviously my full face. I put a little bit of highlighter on my Cupid's bow and also on my nose, but I'm saving the Stacey Marie palette for my cheeks. So let's do that quickly. So I think I'm going to go in with Gold Luxe. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to try a tiny bit and we'll see. Oh, pretty. Oh, yes, 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 yes. That's very nice. I only used a tiny little bit just because I was scared that it was going to be too dark for me, but that's still like pretty intense. I'm now going to take a little bit of Fair Play, which is the lighter colour, and go over the top. Okay, that little combo is doing bits for me right now. Oh, yeah, those two together are very nice. Okay, so now we're going to move on to my lower lash line. So I think I'm going to kind of like bring the black in a little bit. And then I really want to do a little bit of that neon green, like kind of on my inner corner. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Do a little bit of blue, a little bit of green, a little bit of black, neon. Okay. And just shade it out a little bit. Oh, I've got a good feeling about that. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Showboat, which was that like turquoisey shade that I used just there. My camera just died, so I had a little digestive biscuit in between. So if I have that like all over my face, just ignore it. I got it all in my teeth. And I'm going to blend that into the black and also slightly into my inner corner. Yeah, boy, I love it. And then just going to take a little bit of the hype, which is the green, just to bring it in slightly. To kind of match it up. So then I'm going to go in with that shade Ecstasy there. I'm taking a little bit of a strange brush, but I don't want it to be like too blown out. So I'm going to be using a little angle brush. And I'm going to place that right on the inner corner. Oh, yes. Hell yes. You know what, actually, screw that. I'm taking this limey green, like this neon green, a little bit downwards. That's so cool. You know what, let me try a slightly more fluffy brush. Just because I do want to build it up a little bit more. That's so sick. That's so sick. I'm then just going to blend that line out a little bit more. I'm actually going to take a tiny little touch of lit again. And just bring that down into that black. And then take that black one more time. And just smoke that out a touch more. And now, just like literally just wiping that on my hand, I'm going to go in with a little bit more Fair Play because I can't not put something on my inner corner that's like shiny and nice. And I'm just going to do the tiniest little something something just right there on the inner corner. Just like a little yellow goldy flecks in this highlighter, and it just makes it look even more like limey green. Okay, there it is. I'm so stoked about this look. Not stoked about the fact that I've got to take it off because I've got nowhere to go because it's like pretty late in the day. But yeah, I love it. Okay, be right back. I'm going to go and do the other eye and I'm going to like add some lashes, all that jazz, probably fix my hair a little bit. And then I'll just see you in a minute. Bye. All right, guys, this is the finished look. And sorry to swear, but I'm really fucking obsessed with this. Like, there's no other word for it. I am fucking obsessed. The quality is just as good as the original Carnival palette. If you guys have tried it, very, very similar quality. I'm guessing they used that the same kind of process to make these shadows. Basically, in this palette, you just get a lot more colors. And if you already have the other palette, you get different colors as well. Like, yeah, there are a few little similarities, but I mean, there's only a certain amount of colors in the whole bloody world. But like, this is like a new favorite of mine, and I can just say that straight off the bat. Like, literally everything that I did went completely like to plan, really. Like, it worked on the base. Whenever I made a mistake, it was easy to kind of correct. All the shadows blended in so nicely. Like, literally, look at my eyelid right now. It's like the most blended I think it's ever been. Even Ollie, actually, just then, he was like, your eyeshadow looks like it's photoshopped. And I mean, if that's not gold, I don't know what is. So yeah, once again, a massive congratulations to Be Perfect and Stacey Marie. This palette is freaking sick. All right, guys, that's me done for today. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me, because I upload all the damn time. Also, let me know what you think of this makeup look in the comment section down below. Let me know your favorite colors in the palette. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if you tried the original. Just let me know whatever the hell you like, really. Tell me about your day. Tell me about, like, I don't know, what you had for dinner or something. I'm curious. I'm also hungry. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. And now I gotta take this makeup off, even though it took me so long to do.